Hey man, you know who it is. What's good? What's poppin'? It's your boy JRE from the YouTube channel JRE Camo. How you doing? We're about to check out Jay Park Give Me a Minute featuring Chungha, the beautiful and lovely Chungha, which I got to interview on my podcast, Ultimate Bias K-Popcast. Go check it out. Link in the description down below. Ooh, I'm in there. What's up, Jay Park? Oh man, I heard some good things about this, man. I heard some good things about Give Me a Minute. How much is it? 3 minutes. You're about to give us 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 14 seconds. That's what you're about to give us. Is Jay Park a minute man? Put some respect on Jay Park's name, man. If y'all didn't know, he's fresher than a motherfucker.
I'm fresher than a motherfucker. Fresher than a motherfucker. Fresher than a motherfucker.
Sorry, I had to put that in there. Yo, man, that's been on my TikTok For You page for a minute.
Hey, why you smiling, bitch? Stop smiling.
My boy, where you walking to? Why you walking so cold? It must be cold as hell over there. You know what's crazy about that clip? He looks exactly the same. Hey man, Asian don't raise him for real. As you see, I'm in a different room. I am in Hawaii at the moment. You know, I'm dog sitting, taking care of my dogs as my parents are like in the Philippines. And you see right over there, you see him? Hey, you already know that's the OG, Mr. T.O.P. All right, without further ado, let's check this out in 3, 2. Do I got captions on? Hold up. Do I got captions on? I do. I better. You know, sometimes. I know he know English and stuff, but, you know, he be saying some Korean, and I still don't know Korean after all these years. What's wrong with me? All right. 3, 2, 1. Give me a minute. Damn. Oh, he got the sparkly sparks. Sorry. Give me what? Oh, cool. I mean, why you trying to? Oh, at least you're not trying to break my heart. Okay. Dang, he really talking to me, man. Like I know he not talking to me, but you know he like talking. You know, never mind. Just continue. Okay. Oh shit! What the fuck? He doing magic. Ooh. Oh, he in his bag. Oh, Jay Park in his bag right now. Tell her what you want to do. Oh. Hey, you always coming straight.
Hey, yo. What did he say?
I'm a not.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hell no.
Let's just continue.
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that.
Pause. Hey, damn, he went. Oh shoot. All right, who that is? Damn, he got the whole dance crew and everything. He always do. He in his R&B bag. You better get it. I love this. Oh my god, I forgot Chungha was in this. Girl, you so fine. I mean, what? I don't lie. I am not a liar.
Why the fuck you lying?
Like, for instance, I have a girlfriend. Her name's Hejin. I'm not lying.
All right. I trust you.
She likes you too.
Just give you all, but I ain't in a hurry back. Ooh, until I taste it all, you're a secret to tell. I don't want to talk about new.
What you said? Until I taste what all?
Men, am I right?
Sorry, I need it. Let's go run it through it now. I'll
Until I taste it all, you're a secret to tell. I don't want to talk about new.
taste all the secrets. God damn. Oh, Miss Chungha. Ooh, he is. What? You better stop. Damn, he real.
Motherfucking,
Mother in his bed. He fresher than a mother.
I'm fresher than a motherfucker.
You know. Hey. Oh, he got the sparkles out. Hey. We already know he could dance too. He could do it all, man. Oh, yes. Give me a dance break, Jay Park. Let's get it. Come on. Woo! With the silhouette and everything. Sorry if I'm getting too loud. My bad. I'm getting hyped. Yeah. Gotta remind them. Oh, we gotta slow down too, Jay Park. Okay, my boy. Did he say 8 Park? What did it say? Hey, he put the name Park on his back. He carrying that name. Oh, they finally meet up. Yes. Oh, I want to see them together. That's cute. Let's go. Hey, they vibing. Oh, that said 8 Paris. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Woo! Get it. Hey, 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 hey. Bro, is this the same place that you danced in Abandon? You know what I'm talking about? Oh Lord, I'm about to. Bro, y'all don't know. I be listening to Jay Park for a while. Hey, he look good with that sparkle. I'm saying. Nah, for real. Wait, is it done? Is it done? Wait. Hold up. Let me look back. Hey, I don't know if y'all know that Jay Park. Oh, it said 8 Paris. Arte Paris. Damn, I can't read. It says Arte Paris. I just roasted. My bad. Sorry. Hey. Oh. Just give me a minute, girl. Ooh, oh, I like that. I see, I could do that. Oh, no, I don't know if you know this Jay Park, though. Hold up. Let me look up. Yeah, I'm sorry. I do apologize, Jay Park. Abandon. Bro, this is the Jay Park that I got into. You know what I'm saying? You know, bruh, nah. Dude, does anybody know this version? Does anybody know this? This is fresher than a mug, Jay Park. I'm sorry, Jay, if I'll put you on blast here. Hey, yo, is that the same parking lot? Girl. Bro, this shit hit, bro. Bro, I don't know if he cringes for this, but this shit classic. And they hit it with this. Hold up. Look at that. 3, 2, 1, hit it. He's smooth with it, bro. Oh. Hey, y'all don't even know about this Jay Park. Listen, Jay Park, you know, is grown. This is young Jay Park, man. He in a different territory, bro. Jay Park, he do whatever he want. Give me that. I like the way it starts. My God. Woo. He in there, bro. He in them guts. What? I'm sorry. That was. Woo. The backtrack too, like the ad-lib. I wonder if he had this in the vault or this is brand new. He said if I come in too strong. So I need to get away from Stop It, Trey. Stupid ass. Hey. Shout out to the dancers too. They killing that shit too. Big up. Woo. Then Chunga. Ooh, that girl something else. Let's go, Miss Ma'am. Hey. Ooh, shout out to the dancers. Shout out to the breakers. That's a crazy thing to say. What you say, girl? Until I taste it all. Your secret head to toe. I don't want to talk about new. Damn. I don't want to talk about new. Yeah. Dang, Miss Man, you be killing that shit easily. Hey man, this shit go hard. Jay. You killed it. Everybody in this, damn. And then he gives us a dance break. Classic. That's classic right here. All the production, the whole sign, the light work. Ooh, and the the whole like suit too. The break it down. I love it when they break it down. Like solo artists or just in groups in general. Like a dance break. Let the instrumental breathe as you just like break it down. But not many people can dance like Jay. And he slow it down. He did a whole walk just like in that one video. This whole like vibing out with Chunga. So good. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, give it, hey. Woo! Where we're going, where we're going, where we're going, that part right here? Iconic. Hey. Dang. Big up Jay Park, bro. Big up Jay Park. Put a comments down below what you guys think of this song and music video. Give me a minute. Jay Park featuring Chunga. I thought it was nice. It was what I wanted from a Jay Park song. I mean, there's things that I fell in love with Jay Park in general. Like I said, Abandon, like that like singing to the camera kind of ish, like R&B, like you know how it is. Of course, he has to grow as an artist, and he does, and I appreciate it too because I enjoy that as well. But coming back to this, just getting in his bag. That's why I like to say in his bag, even though he's always in his bag. Shout out to the GOAT, man. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Yo. Hey, listen, would love to do a little interview with Jay Park too. That'll be interesting, especially from watching his career from the 2 PM days to the early solo days to CEO to now. It's interesting. It's a fan point of view. It's interesting. You know, there's a lot of things that, you know, he's done. Be sure to keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Like this video, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.